Guys, this is Brent with 247parts.com, and before we get started here, if this video happens to help you out or you like this video, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, as that helps us out as well. And then also, if you're looking for more product-based videos rather than just how-tos, make sure to go over and check out our other channel, Western Equipment, for videos that are going to have reviews and overviews of all types of John Deere and other brand equipment. Now, in this video, what we're going to be doing is changing out the electric control module on a 2006 John Deere X320. Now, these older X Series, X300, X500 series John Deere mowers are notorious for having issues with this electronic control module, and it controls such things as function to your solenoid on your carburetor, function to your spark plugs, and function to your starter. So a lot of the times whenever we're having electrical issues with these machines, it's as simple as changing out this module. So I'm going to show you real fast and simple how to change this out. So let's get started. Just so you have an example, I'm going to show you what is going on with this mower. Well, now, main thing that we have going on here is with our fuel solenoid that is on our carburetor. So when I go to turn this switch on, the key switch, just to the on position, not to start, I'm going to turn it back off, back on. We should hear some clicking down there at the fuel solenoid, and we're not hearing that. So that gives me a good indication that we do have issues here with the ECM, or the interlocking module. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that this mower will try to start. But as you see there, it won't stay running, and that's because it's not getting any fuel. So now let's go ahead and change out this module and see if that changes things. So changing out this module is going to be as simple as just removing one 10mm bolt, as we see right here. So we will remove that. Once we've got that out, we can simply just pull this out and out of its clips, and then we may need something here just to remove this plug here from the unit, just like that. And we can take our new unit here, which is part number AM141075, and we'll take this and just plug it in right here. We'll go ahead and mount this back into place. Now, as we can see, there are two clips right here underneath. You just need to make sure and get those back into those clips first. Take our 10mm bolt, tighten that back up. All right, now after getting that changed, see if we sound any better here. All right, guys, so that's it. Changing that ECM, as simple as that. Just unplugging the old one, unscrewing it with that 110mm bolt, popping that new one in, replugging it in, and that should fix most of your electrical issues with this machine. So guys, like I said before, if this video helped you out or you like this video, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, as that helps us out as well. Don't forget to check out our other channel, Western Equipment. And also, guys, make sure to leave me any comments with any of your questions or comments so I can make sure to get back with you. Also, guys, while you're down there in the comments section, make sure to scroll up just a little bit. Go check out that link to 247parts.com, where you can go to get all your John Deere parts needs, whether it be for your lawnmowers, tractors, gators, or compact construction equipment. Whatever those things are, make sure to check that out. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.